Hey all, I'm back once again with a special guest, the fantastic Woody Van Eyden, who's here to give you his exclusive music industry do's and don'ts. Woody is an internationally acclaimed DJ, he's an artist manager, a label owner, a performer. He's really done a lot of things, so he knows what he's talking about. This is actually the fourth part of a 5-part video series, so if you haven't checked out the first parts yet, please do so. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name's Kirsten and I'm an audiovisual artist under the name Naoki. I've also recently written the book Performing Electronic Music Live. So one of my chapters talks about how to plan and promote your live show, and it has an exclusive interview with the amazing Woody Van Eyden, who's here today to give you part 4 of his 5-part music industry series. So today Woody's going to talk about how you can build a team of people to support you. So without further ado, I'm going to pass over to Woody now.
Hello again, and now the topic, who do I need? If the Dutch race driver Max Verstappen is interviewed, he always speaks in the we form. He never will say I and me. And the same as in the music industry. Well, it should be the same. And it's completely okay. It's 100% okay if you say, I'm a great songwriter, but I'm not a good producer. Or, I'm a great producer, but I cannot sing. Everybody understands, okay, I cannot sing, so I need a singer. But you can also understand, I'm not a good master guy, so I need a master guy. You know, there is specialists. And all these specialists, if you have a good team of specialists around you, even on a low level, you can go a lot quicker than if you would do it on your own. Now our so-called beloved electronic industry is all about me and, you know, spotlight, because you see the artists on the stage. But if you look in the, you know, if you look in the credits in Spotify, for instance, you'll see a full list of people produced. Back in the days it was arranged by, and guitars played by, and vocals by, so there's a lot of people involved. Now, so if I'm a good songwriter, I'm not a good, maybe you need a production partner. There's this guy around the corner who does great beats, but he can't create melodies. And you're a great guy on melodies. Well, why don't you go together? That's the idea, you know. A lot of people say, do I need a manager? You know, what does a manager do? Well, in our company, we concentrate on the music management and the artist management. The music management is about, okay, how many releases will we get? Can we get a remix from some bigger label for some bigger artist? The track is nice, but it needs a vocal, so how can we get a vocal on top? You know, the music management includes, you know, all the publishing side and the, you know, the collecting society side. So all that part is all with the music. And then the artist management is about, okay, how are we there standing with our socials? What does the artist needs to go to the back step? Do we need like a new photo shoot? Shall we make some nice little videos for Instagram, or shall we do it to promote a new single? So one part of the artist management is of course the booking side, where we work happily with great partners that only do bookings. So we concentrate on the artist and the music management. Some managements do everything. It's very hard for a newcomer to find a proper management. So before you go out and look for a management, you should be able to read a contract yourself. You should be able to produce a few tracks, and you know, once you have, you know, the first steps taken, you will get yourself heard, you know, and then you will get played by bigger DJs, and then you can go slowly, step by step, looking for maybe an artist management. What you should as well at least know and heard of is collecting societies. So when your work is performed or broadcasted, streamed, downloaded, reproduced, played in public, in TV or wherever, in radio, you should get reimbursed for that. You should get your money, you should get your share for that, you know. And to be able to get your share, you should work, you can either collect them yourself, go and check in your country the collecting societies, or you can work as well with a publisher that would help you, you know, finding again a good publisher. If you a publisher, what the word says, to publish, and back in the days, a publisher, you went there with your notes and say, you know, this is a new track that I made, and then you played it maybe there, and the publisher says, okay, I will get a label deal, I will get a deal, I will publish it, I will get it aired. These days, publishers, there's a lot of controlling things to do. There's a lot of registration, you know, because when my track plays in Argentina and I'm based in Europe, how do I know this? So you need partners for this, like a publisher and as well as a label. You know, what is a label? Label is the one that gets your track to the DJs, is the one that get your tracks on Spotify. So a label. So if I have a new track and I do a SoundCloud link and I make it open and public and downloadable for everybody, then I go to a label, say, hey, would you like to release this? I go like, yeah, but your track has been downloaded 500 times already. Why should I do this? So don't take away too much from these experts in the label side. Make a good track, make a solid track, find a good label for it, and they will be your partner for that track, or maybe for a longer period as well. A thing you really probably need, unless you are good in this, is a specialist in social media. Again, this can be the neighbor that knows a bit more about Instagram and algorithms and than yourself. Because I know so many people that are so good and so creative in the studio, but all the necessary evil, the social madness is what I call it, you have to do it. Because it's really difficult to stand out of the mass with just a good track. You know, it's really difficult to stand out with a good melody, because melodies have been played since Beethoven, Bach, Puccini, Verdi, all the classic compositions. Every melody in the world has been played. So there is a lot of ingredients you need to make yourself or a track successful. So go and look. What can I do myself, and who do I need for the other stuff?
Again, some fantastic tips from Woody here. Let us know in the comments down below, are you a complete DIY artist, or do you work with a team of people? It would be great to hear your story. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the final part, where Woody is going to talk about how important it is to be unique as an artist. Also, if you want to learn more about how to perform electronic music live, how to put on a great show and connect with fans, please make sure to check out my book, which I will link down below in the description. Finally, also check out Woody's streaming platform, Support Your DJ, where you can watch your favourite DJs perform live from the comfort of your own home. It's really a cool and innovative thing that he's built there. That's it from us for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!